again and welcome to the Kawaii Stitch Witch's Cauldron. This time we are gonna make Apple Bunnies. Hey! You know that super anime cliche where the main hero goes to the hospital and his love interest brings an apple and she cuts it into little bunnies for him. It's super cute and it's in almost every anime. Anyways, it's super duper easy. No ears required. But here's how you do it.
Alright, you're going to need an apple, a paring knife or a small sharp knife, and a little plate to put it on. Now right here, to make the little bunnies, I'm just going straight into the apple. It would help if it was a straight line. That's okay, I'll make a straight line over here. The first one is always the hardest to pop out. As you can see, but gotta work with it. And as you can see here, it has a very sharp edge. I'm just going to make a little, I don't know, foot? But something for it to stand on. I'm gonna make it flat on the bottom so it will sit up, but like that. And very carefully, put your thumb over the skin and slide the knife under the skin. And use your thumb to guide it and push it through. Don't force the knife. And go about 3/4 of the way up the apple. And use the point of the knife to go straight in, not all the way through, but to you know, cut the skin. You don't want a little V chunk out of your rabbit's butt. Yeah, it's a little hard the first time. You gotta get used to it. But the second time, it's a little bit easier to get the apple chunk out. You can go in from the first incision and get a somewhat butt to sit on. This time, it's still a little bit angular. I'm just gonna even that up. Be very careful. Oh, use adult supervision if you are not an adult. Oh god, gosh darn it. Okay, round 3. Again, don't get frustrated. I'm getting frustrated a little bit. Do not get frustrated with a knife. Just take a deep breath. 3rd time's a charm, right? I also thought I could use a little bit of a fatter bunny. And very carefully slide the knife using your thumb as a guide. And point first. Nice little slice, little triangle. And if you want the ears of the bunny, that's the red part, if you want it to be more prominent that it's sticking up, just cut a little slice of the apple, the actual fruit of the apple off. And stop right before you get all the way through and just pop it out like that. And the ears are standing up more. Or it looks like it. Ta-da! Oh, better angle. Ta-da! And here's my little hoard. I'm using a pink crisp pink apple. Little bit of peanut butter hides that tartness. Yeah. Yum.
And that's how you make Apple Bunnies! And now you can, you know, comfort your loved ones who are sick and in the hospital. Or you can just make them whenever. They're delicious. Especially if you use sweeter apples. Try not to use the tart ones like Granny Smith or the pink crisp one that I made. It was very tart. I recommend Fuji or, yeah, I really like Fuji apples. Maybe Pink Lady. Anyways, if there's anything else you want me to do, any tutorials, want me to make anything, any suggestions, any topics that you want me to talk about, just let me know, and I'll do my best to do it. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!